This Align Right Realty property video is presented by carriage. Very strategic location in the heart of Floral City, mixed-use property. This historic building has been completely remolded and restored. This property is rich with history as it was previously the home of West.C. Zimmerman, Citrus County's first Clerk of Court, who helped to recognize Inverness as the present county seat. It is commercially zoned, CLC, and can be utilized for commercial or residential purposes. It last operated as an art gallery and many other cool businesses. A new AC, new hot water heater, updated bathrooms, and updated roof coating, metal roof. 2 entry doors, and 2 back doors. The main door leads to a layout of 4 offices/rooms and several common areas. There is a master bedroom/office with a bathroom and closet, and 2 other rooms, with 1 shared bathroom. Additionally, there is a washroom/bathroom with closet, as well as a kitchen, dining/living and/or meeting room. Plus a rear workshop/carriage house. Enjoy the handcrafted wooded arches soar over large original bay windows. Hardwood floors throughout with upgraded decorator lights. The property still has its original hardwood floors, walls and ceilings. Architectural archways, doors, and windows have kept their original feel. It features a wraparound porch, 12+/high ceilings, and a fireplace. There is also a washer/dryer room, rear carport, and a fantastic wraparound porch overlooking mature landscaping. Property is mostly fenced and can accommodate well over 30 vehicles. This building could be an amazing professional office space for any lawyer, accountant, real estate, doctor, dare care, etc., or would be an iconic restaurant/coffee shop and more. It is near the Withlacoochee State Trail, a 46+/mile long rail trail that passes through 3 counties and draws bicyclists and outdoor enthusiasts to the area. Floral City also features a boat ramp to the local chain of lakes, library, heritage museum, and other points of interest. The small town has many local businesses close by. This property is in a historic district, but is not on the National Register of Historic Places. See more info about permitted uses in the property info package. Call for more info. For more information, review the details below or contact carriage at 801-918-7745.